Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to talk about the latest changes that happened in Selenium 4. So let's get started. Earlier, all the driver classes of different browsers, that may be Chrome driver or Firefox driver or Edge driver, all the classes of Selenium used to extend, that is, are the child classes of a parent class known as remote WebDriver in the older versions of Selenium. But now in the latest version of Selenium, that is from Selenium 4, these two classes, that is Chrome driver class and the Edge driver class, are no more extending the remote WebDriver. They are now the child classes of the Chromium driver, guys. Let me show you practically. I'll first go to the official website of Selenium, selenium.dev, and I'll go to this downloads, scroll down a bit until I see something like this API docs for Selenium Java. I'll click on this API docs. We'll go to the documentation, API documentation of Selenium Java. Here I'll click on the all classes, and here I'll search for an interface name, that is WebDriver interface. Let's find it. WebDriver interface. This is the WebDriver interface, guys. All the browser classes of Selenium actually implement this interface known as WebDriver interface. If you come to this page, you will find all the browser driver classes. That's why I came here, guys. Okay. So as you can see here, Chrome driver is there, Chromium driver is there, Edge driver, Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, Opera driver, Remote Web driver, and Safari driver. These are the different driver classes we have. Earlier, before Selenium 4, all the browser classes, okay, all the browser driver classes used to be the child classes of this remote web driver. Okay, on the parent class used to be remote web driver. Under this remote web driver, or as a child classes of this remote web driver, we used to have all the classes, all the browser driver classes like Chrome driver class we used to have as a child class of this remote web driver in the older versions. Okay? This is the older versions of Selenium. Okay, so it may be Firefox driver class, or it may be Edge driver class. Okay, or it may be that is a Internet Explorer driver class. All this browser driver classes. Okay, Internet Explorer driver class. All these classes used to be the child classes of this parent class known as remote web driver in the older versions of Selenium. But in Selenium 4, guys, this Chrome driver and Edge driver are no more the child classes of the remote web driver. Okay, that's the only change, guys. Remaining the Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, or any other Opera driver, they are still the child class of the remote web driver. But only this Chrome driver and Edge driver are not directly the child class of the remote web driver. Now the Chrome driver and Edge driver in Selenium 4 are the child classes of the Chromium driver. Okay, Chromium driver. Under Chromium driver, now we have, okay, under Chromium driver, now we have the Chrome driver and Edge driver. The Chromium driver is the child class of immediate child of the remote web driver. Okay, remote web driver now doesn't have the direct children like Chrome driver and Edge driver, because they are moved to the next level in the hierarchy. That is, now they have become the grandchildren of the remote web driver indirectly. Okay, earlier they used to be the immediate children of the remote web driver. Now Chrome driver, Edge driver are not the immediate children of this remote web driver. Instead, remote web driver is having a immediate children as Chromium driver. That Chromium driver child has the next level children as Chrome driver and Edge driver, guys. This is the change, guys. Okay, let me show you practically. So now we are in the web driver. So if I take you to this let's say Chrome driver, okay, if I take you to this Chrome driver page, Chrome driver, okay, Chrome driver is now extending. It's not extending the remote web driver. That means Chrome driver is not a direct child of the remote web driver. It's now a direct child of the Chromium driver. If I go to the Chromium driver is now the immediate child of the remote web driver. Okay, able to understand, right? So that's the difference, guys. Okay, now here we have remote web driver. Okay, under remote web driver we have Chromium driver. Under Chromium driver we have the Chrome driver and Edge driver in Selenium 4. Earlier This Chrome driver and Edge driver used to be the immediate children of the remote web driver. Now they are the grandchildren of the remote web driver. So all the other drivers like Firefox driver or whatever it is, guys, they are now the same thing, guys. They are still the immediate children of the, for example, Firefox driver is the immediate child of the remote web driver. Okay, only the Chrome driver and Edge driver. Okay, let me show you the Edge driver also. So Edge driver and Chrome driver are the immediate children of the Chromium driver now. Okay, Edge driver is also the immediate children of the Chromium driver. Okay, so and Chromium driver is the immediate child of the remote web driver now in Selenium 4. But why this change happened? Why the Chrome driver and Edge driver of all the other browser drivers available, out of all the browser drivers available, why the Chrome driver and Edge driver are now the immediate children of the Chromium driver? Because Chromium driver has some methods, okay, or commands or whatever you can call, okay, some methods are there, some predefined methods are there in the Chromium driver class which can access the dev tools, okay. So there are some predefined methods in the Chromium driver class which are capable enough into accessing the dev tools. So now this Chrome browser and Edge browser, okay, if you are working with the Chrome browser and Edge driver, right, Edge browser, right, then you can access the dev tools because this Chrome driver and Edge driver are the child classes of the Chromium driver. So since they are the child classes, the these methods of the Chromium driver, which are capable enough in accessing the dev tools, can also be accessed or used by this Chrome driver and Edge driver. Okay, so let me show you here. So here, if you go to this Chromium driver page here, if you see here, there are some methods, guys, some predefined methods in this Chromium driver class. One of the method is like execute CDP command, okay, using which we can execute a Chrome dev protocols command. Okay, that means you are accessing the dev tools, right? Using this command, the browsers can access the dev tools during the automation. This is one of the command. Other command we have here, guys, that is get dev tools command. Okay, another command. This is also same thing. Okay, so it will access the dev tools, browser dev tools. So now from Selenium 4 in Chrome browser and Edge browser, we can access the dev tools with the help of these commands like execute CDP command and get dev tools command. Okay, get dev tools command, because those Chrome driver class and Edge driver class are now the immediate child classes of the Chromium driver class. Okay, since they are the child class of the Chromium driver class, the access to this method is also possible because they are inheriting the methods of the Chromium driver class, right? These child classes are inheriting the methods of the Chromium driver class, hence that is possible. Okay, accessing the dev tools is possible with the Chrome driver and Edge driver from Selenium 4 onwards. Earlier, that was not the case. So hope guys you understood. Okay, the latest change in Selenium 4, that is Chrome driver and Edge driver, are now the immediate child class of the Chromium driver class. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.